Yun, nandito tayo sa ngayon sa airport.
In front of the airport.
Yun, madaming sasakyan at yun yung nasunog. Oh, look at that. Amazing.
We're here in front of the airport.
The burning many cars in there.
At 11th floor of the Subway Hotel.
That is Ninoy International Airport.
Airport.
That
is an airport.
That's we came from there up to here.
We came from there up to here.
Yes.
We stayed here for 2 days.
Yes, lots of car. Lahat ng
our kalamnan because we are so
yung mga sasakyan na yan, lahat ng nakikita nyo. Buray ni ina na naman na lintian.
We are stressed out during the flight, so we need to have a relaxation here. Looking at all the cars, all the airplane flying out the space.
Flying to the moon, road trip,
flying to the moon, going forth and back and forth and so.
That
look at
airplane
that.
is.
There are so many cars over under the bridge.
Oh, London Bridge is falling down.
Yeah, the flyover.
A flyover.
And under the flyover, you can
fly in the over.
You can find all kinds of cars, including the taxis, the personal belongings.
Oh, look at that. The airplane. Yeah.
The service, all car service.
Yeah, baby. Fly high. Fly high, butterfly, baby. Yeah.
Anong naino mo?
Yeah, where are you going, baby?
What medicine did you take up this morning?
Because of bading sweetie, my darling.
My love. Apple.
What do you want to eat, my darling?
Apple.
What do you want to eat, my love? Apple? Yeah, apple. Can I have a little bit of wine, please?
A little bit of wine. A bottle of wine.
Can I have a bottle of wine, please? Which wine?
Are you gay?
Which wine
do you want?
Ano sabi?
Which wine do you want?
Which wine do you want, my love? Okay, wait for me.
Okay, Alan. Beautiful. Very nice.
Very nice, my love. Parot, my love. Mahungkang ka nga dyan, lintian, oh. Oh.
Parang muna ka talaga. Happy Sabbath, everyone. Today is a Sabbath day.
Pag nahungkang ka dyan, lintik na.
We don't know the church here.
Nagingilo ang buhol ko dyan.
So we just stay up here. And watching all the cars
I just staying
passing by.
here.
We are watching all the cars passing by.
And that was the Philippine
And that is
Airlines.
the Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
That is the Philippine Airlines.
That is our airport. Our airplane landed.
That's the aircraft. Philippine aircraft.
What's the date?
Ay, ko naman sa ano kung gurano karayo sa ang video ko ito.
September. September. Today is not.
What is
the month today? What is the date?
Testing nga sa 24 mo.
8 day of June.
Kung sa 24 mo kung gurano karayo ang ano kayong video. Han.
Ano?
Is 24 mo. Kuno mo.
Ribok na mo kay didawg na dyan.
Kuno na eh. Hey.
Okay pa mo na ta.
Ay, ha.
Kilo pa na ba na? Ano mo niya? Naghinom ka ba ng damo?
I'll take a coffee. It's just a coffee.
Drink? You drink a coffee?
Drink. Shh.
You drunk a coffee or are you just drunk?
Oh.
This is the feeling of
Take a password, please.
This is the feeling of a rich one.
Password.
Do you feel like you are rich? Feeling rich. You're just feeling rich.
You're feeling rich, but you're poorish.
But we are the poorest among the poor.
We're the forestry.
We are the poorest among the poor.
Forestry.
Oh.
Give me that baby.
Guru naman, hindi mo na. Ayun na.
Oo, nakaano eh. Pasod. Madali.
Kaya po niyaan. Guru naman, hindi mo na. Panira ka daw ng ano, moment. Ikaw ang aking.
Yan po, nandito po tayo sa kataas-taasan ng hotel. Ano mo ang video kung guro kalayo? Yan. Lala, napakataas. Lala, Yun, uy. You know,
Ay naku, ang pangit naman.
Yan. Ngayong araw po ay maluwag pa rin ang trapiko. Banang southbound to northbound area. Yan. Wala pong ganong traffic ngayong araw ng Sabado. Dito sa kahabaan ng airport road. Wala tayong traffic ng gaano. Kaya yun, maluwag ang trapiko. Maluwag, makakatakbo ang mga sasakyan. Ayan.
Pwede pala nini.
Ayan po. Ayan.
Ano kaya ang nasa perya?
Nakasakay tayo sa drone. Ayan, nakasakay tayo ngayon. Salukuyan tayo nakasakay sa drone. Ayan po. Brum, road trip, brum. Yan. Kala mo nasa drone tayo, hindi. Nasa taas tayo ng hotel.
Ano ba na? Picture kita. Ano, Didi?
Yun po, yun.
Welcome to Philippines. Rates. Plans do not apply here. So very
yan,
recommend
guys.
Buying a rooming pack. Rooming pack offers 30.
Yan po, ito po. Nasa harap tayo ng airport.
300.
Yeah.
May 2 GBs in the $30 lang. And 300 minutes outgoing and 300
Yan
minutes
guys,
valid for
please
40
subscribe my
minutes.
YouTube channel.
Text by rooming. Hindi din magagamit. Hindi